Castor seed is one of the ancient and most important non-edible oilseed. Castor seed can be used as a base material in most of the medicinal treatments. Castor is cultivated across 30 different countries, of which India, China, Brazil, Mozambique, Ethiopia, and Thailand are the major ones, accounting for about 90% of the world's production. Castor cold-pressed oil is extracted without loss of medicinal properties. Organic castor oil, predominantly for hair, good for skin as well. Hydrogenated castor oil, mostly used in creams and lotions due to its thick consistency. Jamaican black castor oil, used to treat specific skin and scalp-related issues such as acne, dandruff.